Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from DUOQIN F22 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow. In this window about new updates, you can choose whatever you want to and then click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of DUOQIN and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on DUOQIN, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some beep pop-up, and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!